歡迎大家收聽收睇我哋碳中和商機呢個節目，我係你哋嘅主持人 Judy。我哋嘅節目呢係中英對照嘅，第一部分呢就係用廣東話同大家分享，而第二部分呢就係用英文呢將個稿讀出嚟嘅。咁我哋今日呢個節目呢，仍然係講人工智能喺電力市場嘅應用。咁人工智能喺呢個電力市場一個關鍵嘅應用呢，就係預測性嘅維護。咁今日我哋會講幾個例子。好啦，咁呢個持續監控同埋分析能源資產嘅效能呢，係非常之重要嘅。咁亦都呢，最緊要就係要事先識別到潛在嘅故障。咁維護通常呢係定期進行啦。咁例如輸電線路上嘅電線桿呢，可以喺預定嘅期限裏邊去檢查一次，並且咧根據需要咧進行維修嘅。咁如果你維護發生得太早，或者係更嚴重嘅話太遲嘅話咧，呢種一刀切嘅方法咧，可能都會導致整體嘅效率低下。為咗解決呢個問題咧，一系列嘅公用事業公司咧，正在開發人工智能嘅方案，以幫助監控實體嘅資產，並且使用過去嘅效能同埋中斷數據嚟預測乜嘢時候需要介入。例如公用事業公司 EON 開發咗一種機器學習演算法嚟預測咩時候需要更換電網中嘅中壓電纜，使用嚟自各方來源嘅數據呢嚟識別發電模式，並且標記任何不一致之處。咁 EON 嘅研究表明，與傳統嘅方法相比呢，預測性維護可以將電網停電減少高達 30%。同樣2019年，意大利公用事業公司 ENEL 開始喺電力線上安裝感測器嚟監測震動水平。機器學習演算法令到 ENEL 能夠從結果資料中識別潛在問題，並找出導致呢啲問題嘅原因。因此 ENEL 能夠將呢啲電纜嘅停電次數減少 15%。同樣，愛沙尼亞科技新創公司 HEPTA Airborne 使用機器學習平台同埋無人機拍攝嘅輸電線路鏡頭嚟識別缺陷。中國國家電網公司廣泛使用人工智能嚟進行諸如分析智慧電網、智慧電錶嘅資料，以識別客戶設備問題方面，以便進行維修。未來幾年，人工智能喺電力系統中嘅潛在用途可能係會大幅增加嘅。除咗更好咁樣預測能源供應同埋需求，以及實體資產嘅預測性維護之外呢，應用呢仲好可能會包括：第一，管理同埋控制電網，使用來自感測器、智慧電錶同埋其他物聯網設備嘅一系列數據嚟觀察同埋控制網路中嘅電力流動。特別係喺配電層面。第二，使用預測電價、調度同埋控制響應負載以及設定動態定價等一系列流程嚟到促進需求嘅響應。第三，例如提供改進或擴展嘅消費者服務。喺應用程式同埋線上聊天機器人中使用人工智能或者係機器學習流程嚟改善客戶嘅計費體驗。咁 Octopus Energy 同埋 Oracle Utilities 呢啲公司呢已經係探索緊呢一點啦。AI help prevent grid failure, increasing reliability and security. A key AI application is predictive maintenance, where the performance of energy assets is continuously monitored and analyzed to identify potential faults ahead of time. Maintenance typically happens on a regular schedule. Poles on a transmission line, for example, might be examined once within a predefined period and repairs carried out as needed. This one-size-fits-all approach can lead to inefficiencies if maintenance happens too early or, more problematically, too late. To address this, a range of utilities are developing AI-enabled schemes to help monitor physical assets and use past data on performance and outages to predict when intervention is required. Utilities company EON, for example, has developed a machine learning algorithm to predict when medium voltage cables in the grid need to be replaced, using data from a range of sources to identify patterns in electricity generation and flag any inconsistencies. EON research suggests that predictive maintenance could reduce outages in the grid by up to 30% compared with a conventional approach. Similarly, in 2019, Italy-based utility ENEL began installing sensors on power lines to monitor vibration levels. Machine learning algorithms allow ENEL to identify potential problems from the resulting data and discern what caused them. As a result, ENEL has been able to reduce the number of power outages on these cables by 15%. Meanwhile, Estonian technology startup Hepta Airborne uses a machine learning platform with drone footage of transmission lines to identify defects, and State Grid Corporation of China uses AI extensively to carry out action such as analyzing data from smart meters to identify problems with customers' equipment. Potential uses for AI across power systems are likely to soar in the years to come. In addition to better forecasting of energy supply and demand and predictive maintenance of physical asset, application could include managing and controlling grids, using an array of data from sensors, smart meters, and other Internet of Things devices to observe and control the flow of power in the network, particularly at the distribution level. Number 2, facilitating demand response. Using a range of processes such as forecasting electricity prices, scheduling and controlling response loads, and setting dynamic pricing. Providing improved or expanded consumer services. Using AI or machine learning processes in apps and online chatbots to better customer billing experience. For example, firms such as Octopus Energy and Oracle Utilities are already exploring this.